You got to train lifting up rocks and stuff, and climbing ropes and standing up under the waterfall. Nature is the teacher that teaches you about consciousness, about the spirit that made nature. Okay, let's follow the progression. These people, these indigenous wisdom people, all over the planet, wherever you find a pyramid, a grid line, a ley line, you find in this same type of people. They're looking at life based on life, and they're using life as a rubric to judge life.